Good morning, students. Today we will study the sporophytic phase in bryophyte. Sporophytic phase, that means it is the sporophyte. With the fertilization start, the second phase in the life cycle of the bryophyte, it is called the sporophyte. The sporophytic phase is differentiated into zygote, embryo and sporogonium. The zygote, the fertilized egg or the ovum, secrete a cellular wall around it and is called the zygote. The latter has a fusion or diploid nucleus which contain chromatin material of both the male and the female gamete. The zygote marks the beginning of the sporophytic generation in the life cycle. It is neither independent of the parent gametophyte plant nor passes into the resting condition. In both respects, it differs from the zygote of the green algae. The further development of zygote into embryo occurs within the venter of the archegonia, which protect the egg, the zygote and the embryo against the various external, protect the egg or the embryo from the various external environments such as desiccation. Embryo within the venter of the archegonium, the zygote undergo segmentation and develops without a resting period into a multicellular undifferentiated structure called an embryo. It obtains its nourishment directly from the thallus or the parent gametophyte as which is originally attached. The zygote of the bryophyte has thus a better chance for growth as compared with the zygote of the thallophyte, which is always independent. Sporogonium. Sporogonium, the embryo by further segmentation and differentiation finally developed into full-fledged sporophytic individual. It is called the sporogonium. Sporogonium of the bryophyte is a leafless and rootless. Throughout its life, it remains attached to the gametophytic plant. It is thus spatially separated from the soil by the gametophytic tissue. Generally, it has a limited lifespan. In some bryophyte, it retains embedded in the gametophytic tissue. Example, Riccia. Generally, it is projected and consists of three parts: the foot, seta, and capsule. Foot is embedded in the tissue of the parent gametophyte. It absorbs nutrition from the sporogonium. In some marsupials bryophyte like Jacquelia, the foot is very much reduced and its function is performed by haustorial collar, which develop the junction of naked reduced junction of reduced foot and seta. The rest of the sporogonium is free and projecting to promote easy dispersal of spore. The seta conduct the food absorbed by the foot to the capsule. The terminal capsule, which is considered equivalent to a fern sporogonium, is mainly concerned in the production of spore which are non-motile and wind disseminated. The spores of bryophyte are highly specialized. They are differentiated from the diploid spore mother cell by meiosis. They are thus haploid structure and are known as the meiospore or gonospore. Morphologically, spores produced in the capsule in all the bryophyte are homosporous. They are alike in size and form in a given species. With the meiosis, the sporophytic generation in the life cycle end. The meiospore thus mark the beginning of new generation, gametophytic generation. Each spore germinate under suitable condition to give rise to main gametophytic plant body or first to a juvenile filamentous stage called the protonema, from which sooner or later arise the main gametophyte. Sporogonium in the whole product is the whole product of sexual act. It remains attached to the plant body bearing the sexual organ oomph 5. It is considered a second individual in the life cycle and not simply a part of or an outgrowth of the parent plant. The reasons are obvious. The sporogonium is an individual with a different inheritance as it develops from a diploid zygote. It is made up of cell containing a diploid number of chromosomes as contrast with the haploid number characteristics of gametophyte. Besides, it differs from the parent gametophyte in its function. It produces haploid spore. For this reason, sporogonium of the gametophyte is often called the sporophyte. The spores are non-motile and thus dispersed by wind. In its nutrition, of course, the sporophyte is dependent partly or wholly on gametophyte. Thank you.